Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the boat effect video on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this effect is where you can place yourself or anyone on a boat and the boat sails across the screen. So let me show you how to create this boat effect video on TikTok. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on search here at the top right. You can search for boat effect or boat meme. Now in the search results, you'll get all these boat videos. Tap on any of them, and what you're looking for is this Capcut template icon here, the bottom left. You'll see it on some videos, and on some videos you won't see it. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on that. This will show you the template which is being used in Capcut. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will now open up Capcut and will show you what exactly you're creating from this template. So go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now here, select a video of yourself, or you can select a picture. Then tap on Preview here at the bottom right. This effect will remove the background and will put you down in the boat. To change the text on the video, tap on Text and then edit the text. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Now here at the bottom, select Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and will send it to TikTok. Now here, you can add your sound. So there is no trending sound to this, so you have the freedom of adding any song you like. Now go ahead and add your text, your stickers, and any of these effects, and then tap on Next. And from here, you can post the video to your TikTok account. So that is how to create the boat effect video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.